Okay guys, welcome and good morning. Welcome back to Jay's Strategy, a place where we bring you all of the top and latest crypto news here, live all day, every day on Twitter, Telegram, and different socials. Let's hop into the overall cryptocurrency market. Total cryptocurrency market coming in at 1.9 trillion. You can hop into the Bitcoin prices. Bitcoin did pull back 2.2%. Bitcoin is at 43.1K. Ethereum at 3.052, pulled back 2.8%. US Tether rocking in, coming in with a $51 billion 24-hour volume. Binance coming in at $421.50. US dollar coin tapping $1 with a $3.3 billion volume. XRP coming in at 0.81, pulled back 2.5%. Excellent XRP gang in the house. Cardano, ADA guys, Cardano is sitting at $1.06. Solano sitting at 99.21. I really want to see Solano pull up above the 100. Solano's pulled back 4.35%. Avalanche, nice moves for Avalanche. You can see Avalanche is still green on the 7-day here. Avalanche has some really good, nice movements and market structures happening on right now. So it's at 93.11 with a nice little market evaluation here for the 24-hour volume. Terra is growing, guys. You have Anchor Protocol, and there's a bunch of different ways to earn passive income. We'll do more videos in the future. Don't forget to hop on over to Twitter and follow us on Twitter, guys. We're here all day, every day. We drop news and reports. You can see that we dropped the different charts. Bitcoin got a pull down, local support. Where we're at the moment, we're at local support. Dropped different kind of Ethereum about Ether. Broke the close above the moving average on the 15th, but the bulls are struggling to sustain the price. So we can talk about the Ethereum, and we'll talk about the different charts for Ethereum. You can see here resistance line of the channel, okay, support line of the ascending channel, neckline of the inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is the neckline. So we want to break above this neckline and then hit the full pattern from the bottom here to the top. So we want to be able to extend that and pull that back over. I'm saying 4.4K on for the Ethereum price. We're going to hop into different analysts. Let's talk about this really first right here. Bitcoin bounced off the 20-day exponential moving average at 41,938 on February 14th, but the bulls cannot push the price to the overhead resistance of 45.821. You can see if we hop into the Bitcoin charts, which we're going to follow out now. On the 4-hour chart, we're hitting back at this 50 EMA zone right here, which is a really nice zone to be able to hit, retest, continuation back to the upside to the daily open. So that's probably something I'm going to be looking at today. You also have to take into account the different markets as far as the S&P, the gold market. Gold is actually getting pulled up. Gold is the safe haven. People are getting into gold. So that actually might be an indicator for a downward action today. We actually have to go ahead and watch the New York Opens and everything from there, and we'll be able to figure out from there. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys. I will drop information and news on Twitter today as the market goes, as the market opens, and as we're rocking. I'll drop information. Don't forget to come on over here, drop your information, comments, tweets, and much, much more. You can see that the gold price is like that. Let's just go ahead back over to the Bitcoin price. I just want to show you guys on the daily chart this one pattern here, the inverse head and shoulders pattern. You can see how it was starting out here like this, okay? So the inverse head and shoulders pattern gives you a pattern of this length here, okay, breaking to the neckline, which is here, all right? So you can see a breakout at to the $54,000 level. So that's what a lot of people are talking about, because you see that it's riding this 50 EMA. So right now we want to touch this 50, okay, and then we want a continuation to the upside to see some bullish action, and that'll be on the daily chart for Bitcoin overall, complete action. You can see how we pulled the 200, we crossed below the 200. Now we're starting to turn back up. This is actually a really good sign. If we can start to turn back up and cross back over this way, man, oh man, it is bullish for the Bitcoin price. Ethereum, like we said, same thing. You guys can see here the formation of these market structures and how these bullish targets right here are, for me, up into 4K range. So that's a bullish target for Ethereum for the long term for me. Binance coin at 420. 21. Binance is forming a nice pattern. I don't like this cross here and then the spread. I want to see this gap actually get smaller and then it cross back over in continuation to the upside. So I'm looking out for that on the Binance price. Matic at $1.79. Matic pulled below on the daily and it ended up striking back above from the 200 back to the 50, and now it's hiding out on us in between these two here. Let's build up some pressure and then break to the upside. So go ahead and watch that happening on the Matic chart. Solano, $98. Well below the moving averages. Moving averages are spreading. 50 and 200 are spreading, pulling more to the downside. I can expect it to come back and take this wick back to the $80 range before we continue back to the upside. XRP, very bullish, very nice patterns here. You can see that we flicked out above this moving average, and then we came to the 200, back to the 50, and now we're trading in between. This is really good sign for upward bullish action to the price of $1.10 target for me, because I'm seeing back at this control zone, which is a really strong zone on the XRP price. Avalanche actually had some really good, nice action here in the market. They're pretty much forming some really similar market structures. It just depends on the way that these different markets move for you guys, okay? So Avalanche is coming in at 92.84. A really nice long-term bullish target for me is $110 for the Avalanche price. If we do hold above this neckline, we break this 100, retest it, and then continuation to the upside. Phantom, really nice project, coming in at 205, above this average here, below the 50 moving average on the daily charts. We did test this, we pulled below it, so right now, you know, was a really nice area for me to accumulate Phantom, because you see this zone right here, we kept testing this zone as extreme support, so it's very nice. Do the Dogecoin, guys. Dogecoin pulled below the moving average, below the 50. Right now we're riding, so let's go ahead and wait for some action to pull above the 50, retest the 50, and continue to tap the 50 to continue to the upside. That would be bullish for the Dogecoin price. That's what I'm looking and waiting for. Shiba Inu had actually, to me, it looks like it's a little bit of a bull flag right here. We'll go ahead and monitor that, and we'll see what happens with Shiba Inu. But yes, it could actually break to the upside. Just get some support for the team. And I don't hold a lot of Shiba Inu, but I do hold some, and I do support the project. Cardano, yes, really nice coffee this morning. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button. We always all love the love, help, support, and everything else that we do all day, every day for you guys. Just remember, take it to the moon, guys. Jay's strategies to the moon. Okay, so last thing we want to show you is the US 500, okay, and how that's trading. And you can see that we're trading in between these moving averages. We actually bounced off the 200, so I want to see a retest for the 200 and a continuation to the upside for any bullish action on the United States markets. The QQQ actually pulled down a little bit below this moving average. I just want to see it retest and pull above it. Dow Jones actually riding. It's up 0.22%, so Dow is actually holding really strong today for the markets for this Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are the most busiest days trading on the market. So actually pay attention, be involved, and get in. Bitcoin volatility at 2.48, so you can see the different volatility of the market actually has been, you know, we need more volatility to move towards the upside. And then the next thing that I just kind of want to look at here is, right before we go, shout out to War Tribes. Don't forget to hop on over to CoinMarketCap. They're there, gone wild. Also, you can hit up CoinMarketCap. We're live all day on Telegram. Also, we support and work for BabySwap. Anything that you need as far as BabySwap routers, much more. Farming, pools, snack pools, chess, gaming, and take it to the moon. J Strategy, hit us up. Hit that like button. Smash that like button for us, guys. We will take you guys to the moon.